Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I am sitting in my favorite seat. I am holding my favorite start of the season. It is summer 2025 FabFitFun time. I hope you guys are ready. We've got some good stuff that is making me want to head to the beach. It's making me want to open windows, take in some sunshine, all of it. I am very excited to walk you guys through all the customizations for this season's box, everything that I've got in here, walk you guys through it. Let's get ready for summer. I am so ready. I'm itching to get to the beach. I'm itching to have like true summer vibes. So I'm very excited. We're gonna pop this baby open. As you guys know, if you've been along for one of these unboxings with me, I have yet to open this. I know my customizations. I know the things that I have picked, but we're gonna pop this baby open because the inside I haven't seen. I haven't seen some of this stuff. So let's start this off, shall we? You guys ready? You're gonna see it. Don't lose my interest. Oh my gosh. It says out of office. So good. So good. This is their, it says our 50th box. How cool. Very honored. My favorite thing that FabFitFun does for us is like up at the top, they give us some little extra opportunities, extra things. So they've got a Better Help in here, give your mental health a refresh. They've got HelloFresh, and then they've got some more other opportunities to win and some Glad stuff. So other nice little things to have up at the top, but we're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna give you the cost of everything, all of it. So here we go. So first thing I've got in here is actually a very, very beautiful cuff. This is from Our Spare Change, and it is their floral cuff. It's priced at $62. It's got some beautiful floral details in it. I'll show you guys more at a closer thing, but very pretty. It's extendable, easily to put on, but it's just nice. It's a nice little cuff to add to the stack of things, and I thought it was so pretty to have. I have permanent bracelets on, but I like having every once in a while a little addition to add to these that isn't like the skinny. It's an extra little boldness to it. So I love that I've got this one now, and the details are so pretty. And I love it. Looks like little roses or something on it, but it's just so pretty. So Our Spare Change, $62 for this floral cuff. So the next thing that's in here is another piece of jewelry. It's from Marlin Schiff. It is this Ariel ring in gold. And I just love the look out of it. It's got two different bands on it, but it's just really, really pretty and unique. I'll give you guys a closer look at it as well. But you guys know I'm a sucker for gold jewelry. It's also extendable, but it's just a nice little piece to have. It's very light. And I I have bigger, clunkier jewelry, but every once in a while it's nice to have a piece that's just a little simple. And I love the look of this with just a little bling with some also simple details. So I love this Marlin Schiff Ariel ring in gold. And this is $42 that this is priced at. So really, really, really happy with my jewelry choices for this summer. Okay, I did do a mystery choice, and I like to do a mystery choice every once in a while because it kind of just shakes things up. And when you, I don't know, indecisions just come about, it's just fun to do one of these just to see what they'll send you. So what I got in my mystery choice are actually things that I go through entirely too quickly. But I got two of the Invisibobble scrunchies, hair ties. I got it in a clear and then in a solid brown as well, which I tend to go to brown because my hair is brown. So I love that I've got choices and I add to the collection. I go through these just too fast. So it's nice that I got a little restock action in this season's box. So there we go. All right, next item in here. I've actually got one of these candles already in my house and that I burn in my living room. And it is, the brand is Homesick. And this candle compared to the last one is their lemongrass breeze candle. It's priced at $35, and oh my gosh, I can smell the lemongrass already. I haven't even taken it out of the thing yet, but I can smell it. Oh, it's a beautiful size too. So this is lemongrass breeze. Oh my gosh, this is like me in a candle, but I love that look. I love the simplicity of that, and that beautiful jar. Like, that makes me happy. That makes me so happy, just how clean that is. So I absolutely love this. It smells delish, and I cannot wait to burn this. It's going to be a great summertime smell. So this is, once again, Homesick is the brand, lemongrass breeze, and this is priced at $35. So good. All right, this is an item I was actually, I won't say I was shocked, but I was a little surprised just because I'd never seen Aerie before in one of my FabFitFun options. So this is their offline brand. It is the Real Me Low Key Long Line Sports Bra. That is a mouthful to say. And this is priced at $39.95. And it's this beautiful, beautiful blue. And I am so excited. I'm not putting this on for you guys right now. But I am so excited to wear this. They had all the sizes, and I really had to make sure that I got the right one, but I am so excited. I love Aerie. I wear so much Aerie. It's just like a staple in my closet. So I'm really excited that I got this in this color. I love my blues. So I am very excited to wear this and work out or lounge around in, whatever it may be. Very excited for this. All right, last item in here. I told you guys this was getting me ready for summertime. This is the brand Slow Tide. This is one of these Turkish towels. And so this is the Zoe Turkish towel. This is priced at $50. Eco cotton, lightweight, double-sided woven, drying loop, and ethically manufactured. I'm so excited. Designed in Hawaii and California. That's awesome. So it's this really cool striped pattern is what it looks like. I've got one of, not Slow Tide's Turkish towel, but I do have one of these Turkish towels, and they're incredible just because of their drying capabilities. But oh, this is so pretty. Like, I love the colors of this, and it is bigger. This is a 38 by 73, so it is a really, really nice size towel. Like, look, oh my gosh, it makes me so excited. I'm already gonna add this into my beach bag and have it ready to go when we're in the Outer Banks. So this is so good. I love this. Get me ready for summer. My singing sucks. All right, y'all, box is empty. Really simple summer box. Didn't do any add-ons this time around. I usually do add-ons like every other box just because I get so stocked up on the stuff that is in the add-ons that I don't really need anything until the next go around. But really love my choices that I got in the customizations. It's just really simple, small stuff that makes a true difference in getting me ready for the season and like just gearing me up to have some fun, and I love it. So I am gonna have all these items linked down below with the prices. You guys go get your own FabFitFun box. I love these. They're my favorite way to start every season. I say that every video, and I stand by that. But go get your own. You'll love it. You can truly customize it based on what you want. If you're a beauty person, there's so many beauty options. If you're a homey person, there's so many home options. Fashion, even for dogs, there are so many things that you can get in your boxes. So go get your own. You will not regret it. As always, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.